So I thought I was done compounding and polishing my wheels, but I'm gonna give it another go. I want to get it a little nicer finish. So I'm going to use Chemical Guys V36 followed by V38, and then it should be good for graphene coating. I got a fresh bottle of Ethos Graphene Matrix V.2, V2.0. It's good stuff. I got it on their Black Friday sale. So it is raining out and it's really moist. There's a condensation on the wheels, which kind of sucks. I don't think I can coat them today, but I can condition them. Yeah, condition them, correct them, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm going to do now. And the GoPro fell. That's not good. V36 and now I'm doing V38. Then I'll wipe them down with alcohol and then I will graphene coat them. So I got a blue pad, V38. Alright, the wheels are all polished and compounded. Now it's ready for graphene coating using Ethos Graphene Matrix version 2.0 as usual. So I did an alcohol wipe just to get any leftover compounds or any kind of chemicals or anything that could be on the surface off, because you want a totally clean surface for this stuff. Shake it up really good. You do not need a lot, so just a few lines like that. I'm going to do the machine surface first and then do the insides. Okay, now it's got to sit for about 5 or so minutes. In the meantime, I will start on a second wheel. Same thing, just add a few strips like that. On the clear it's really hard to see, but on the black parts you can kind of see the streaking effect that it does. Yeah, you can sort of see it right there. You can sort of see it on here too. See the rainbowing? So you want to leave it sit until the rainbowing turns like gray. Now it's ready to wipe off. That's it. It's coated. 5 years of protection. Incredible beading. Will keep the gloss lasting long. Help protect the wheels during the winter. Making them very easy to clean.